we're going to teach you guys some stuff that you can do at home with your kiddos. We have some different activities that will get you guys excited and some fun things to do, even though we've been stuck at home for a little while, but some things that can make that home life a little bit more fun. We're here with the auto department today. I have Grant here. He's one of our instructors.
First we're going to do is we'll check your bike over. You're going to want to inspect your brakes, brake cables, which you want to look for cracks, breaks, slack in the lines, especially back where the caliper or the brakes pinch the tire. And then check them, roll your bike a little and actually apply the brakes. Make sure they are stopping. So it looks like both of these are good. Then we want to check our tire pressures. So are you going to hold the bike?
Yep.
All right. Check with your parents. See if you've got a tire pressure gauge. I like to roll the tire up where it's easy to get to. Pull the valve stem cap and get a little low. This one doesn't push any pressure in the gauge. So on the side of the tire should be a max pressure. Okay, right here. See right here it says inflate tire to 40 to 65 psi.
Yeah.
So we would not want to exceed 65 psi. So this little air chuck will hook on the valve stem and squeeze that handle. Squeeze it soft, say stop. Now watch right here, it'll give you the pressure in that little glass. So squeeze it and then let go. That's good. Okay, again. Okay, one more time. We're almost at 30, go again. Okay. Do one more time and it should go to 40. Maybe one more. Okay, pretty close to 40 psi. Now you can use your pressure gauge. Slide this little end in, and then you don't want your hand to bump that part. Perfect. Now pull it off. What pressure does it say?
35.
35, so maybe a hair more. Okay, you can go ahead and squeeze. Okay. Should we check that?
Yep.
And flip it over. What does that say?
45.
45. Perfect. It said between 40 and 60, right?
Yep.
Okay, let's find our cap and put it back on. When we do this, we want to make sure our hands stay very clear to the chain, okay, or the tires. So I'll take that, and just really slow, you're going to start to crank this direction. It's real slow, okay, and we're going to keep our fingers out from around the chain or by the spokes of the tire. Okay, as we do that, we will spray it with some of this oil, okay. This oil will lube our chain, helps keep water out of the chain. And I'm going to lightly spray this back here on all the gears as they're spinning. Did you check your brake cables? So I want you to follow it all the way down and down to the back here where the brakes go to the tire. Okay, now I want you to squeeze, or I'll squeeze the brake and you watch right here. Cables aren't frayed, they are not broke. Okay.